Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all fine. So guys, today I bought a new topic of making a resume in simple steps. Okay, so nowadays you know right, people are struggling for better jobs. So in order to help them, I am going to tell how to make a resume in simple steps. Okay, the first step is guys, you have to open the MS Word in your computer, laptop, mobile also you can open. Okay, after that you have to provide the contact information, that means address. So address is very important guys, because for getting the jobs HR have to contact you, right, for telling you vacancies and all. So main thing is you have to put your address, like your name, mail ID, contact number, pin code and all. The place also you can give. So it will be very helpful for you to know about the jobs from HR. The next step is guys, setting an objective. That means you have to write an objective, because so some companies need some skills. Okay, accordingly you have to put the objective. So suppose some companies need sales skills, some companies need IT skills, so you have to adjust accordingly. Okay, like that you can write, I need to improve my career, I need to grow along with your organization, therefore I am looking for career, like that you can put guys. After that you have to put your education. Okay, so it is the most important steps, because you will get a call based on your education. Okay, so you can put your degrees, diplomas, 12th courses, so whatever you did you can put. Okay, they will segregate your resume according to your education, and the postings will be based on your educations only. Okay, so you can do that, like putting education, highlight this. So this step is very important guys. So moving on, you have to put the skills then. Okay, skills are like ornaments for human body, because if you put a good skills means you will get a call faster, you will get hired faster. You can put your technical skills, you can put your soft skills, communication skills. So whatever the skill within inside you can put. So the one thing is you have to remember, because you have to put a skill smartly according to companies. Then comes projects and achievements in the college. Okay, so suppose consider in final year you did a good project. Okay, company will consider that only for hiring freshers. Project plays a very good role in hiring freshers guys. Okay, so you can also put achievements. Suppose you attended the sports competition, quiz competition, college debates, so whatever achievements in college you can put guys. The next thing is you have to add an experience. Okay, so this is also important step, because you will get a job with a more salary. Suppose you imagine you were working in a previous organization and you need a job change. Okay, people usually prefer job change for more salary, right? In that case it will be very helpful. HR will pick the resume having more experience. Like that you have to put the experience to put a good and better salary. Next step is you have to put the hobbies and interest. Okay, in a resume putting hobbies and interest is very important, because they can judge your personality, how and what type of person you are and how you can fit for the company culture. They can judge. Okay, so you can put the hobbies like painting, yoga and all. Interest like reading newspaper, watching movies and all you can put. The final step is putting a declaration along with date, place, name and signature. The declaration is also important, because it builds a trust on you. It shows your honesty. Okay, the information you are giving, right, that should be accurate and perfect, because companies will keep a trust on you. You can just write, the information I provided above is true and accurate as per my knowledge, so that you can put like that. Here you can see a sample type of resume. So it consists of a neat outline, name, contact information, objective, education, skills, experience, declaration, date and place. Below that you can put a signature. So that's all guys. I hope the concept is clearly understood. So in that next video I am going to bring another interesting topic. Until then, take care. Have a great day.